show you magic. Look at it, I made it for you. Let me show them first. You guys can also make it for your friends. It is paper, but I made it with love. I have no present for you.
No problem, very nice gift. I will always carry it with me.
We need market colors, some computer sheet, a thread and needle, a glue, a scissor. So let's start. 1 centimeter width, 20 centimeters length. Please leave a comment if you like my video. Thank you. Please leave a comment about my next video. Thank you. watching.